Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Quotex is an online trading platform where you can engage with digital options, offering a straightforward way to interact with various financial markets. The core idea is simple. You predict if the price of an asset, such as a currency pair or a commodity, will either increase or decrease within a very short, predetermined time frame. If your forecast proves correct, you then earn a percentage of your initial investment, which is how you can potentially generate profit on the platform. Making consistent profit often starts with solid market analysis. You'll want to use technical indicators, like moving averages or the relative strength index, to help you identify potential trends and momentum shifts in asset prices. It's also wise to keep an eye on fundamental news and major economic events, as these can significantly impact market movements. Always aim to identify clear support and resistance levels, as these can indicate good entry and exit points for your trades. Risk management is truly crucial for long-term profit on Quotex. A key principle is to risk no more than 2 or 3% of your total trading capital on any single trade. This strategy helps protect your account from significant losses. It's also vital to avoid impulsive decisions, especially those driven by emotions like greed or fear, as they often lead to poor outcomes. Always set clear daily profit targets and strict maximum loss limits for yourself, and consistently stick to them. Before risking any real money, always start with a demo account. This lets you practice your strategies completely risk-free, helping you get comfortable with the platform and test different approaches without financial pressure. Continuously educate yourself on market trends, new indicators, and emerging trading tactics to stay sharp. Make it a habit to keep a detailed trading journal. Reviewing your past performance helps you identify patterns and learn from your successes and mistakes. Finally, two critical virtues for Quotex profit are patience and discipline. Approach your trading with a long-term perspective, understanding that consistent gains accumulate over time rather than chasing quick profits. It's important to avoid overtrading. Only enter trades when your preferred setups clearly appear. Consistency in applying your chosen strategy and adhering to your risk management rules is truly the key to achieving and sustaining profit on the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.